Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. This time we are going to be watching part 3 of $1 Million Homes in Tennessee. Come on, let's go.
Alright. I like the rug, it's pretty. Oh, this is cute. A little sitting room. Aww. Oh, it's a wine tasting room. Isn't that cute? Wow. Look. Memphis Bridge, and it has Memphis on it. Look at that. It's like you're actually in a wine cellar. Oh, it's locked. Wow. Oh, look, the game's on. Can you hold on to this? Look at the fridge. Oh, look, it's a delayed lighting. Oh, it closes by itself. Soft close. Oh, that one, you have to push it. Oh, it's two sides. Oh, you want water?
No, I'm good.
No, I'm saying there's some in my bag if you want some. What if they do?
They just put it in these containers.
Look, I like this right here. Like the sink. This is really nice. This? I love this. Look, the other house had that too. They said don't touch it though. Oh, look at that. Inside, outside. How many kitchens do they have? Gee, this is the third kitchen. Oh, look at the floor.
Yeah, I like that. It's like,
I like the rug too. The rug is really pretty. I like this color. Wow. Farmhouse sink. Look how big the backyard is. Wait, again. Why? What is the point of so many refrigerators? I'm so confused. I don't. Oh, and then on the way through the house, you fill your water bottle. Oh, this is cute. You take off your shoes and stuff when you come in.
yeah, well, I can't, but
nice. That's what it said. That's cute. Oh, this towel on the floor is beautiful. Nice, I like. Look at that towel, that's pretty. Nice. I love this. Congratulations to whoever purchases this home. Like, they already purchased it, but whoa, look at this one. Oh my goodness, I love it. Oh, this one's my favorite room. Wow. How beautiful. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna cry. It's so pretty. Oh, I cannot stand it. It's so pretty. Oh my gosh. Wow. Do they turn? Yeah, they do. I love this bedroom. Look at it matches the bed thing. They're like linen. Beautiful. Oh my gosh, I love it so much. You didn't see the bathroom? Where are you going? No. I like the towel in this one. So pretty. Wow. They should have did the built-in closet, like the professional closet. This is pretty. Wow. Oh, they should have put a ceiling fan in here too. But I like the light fixtures. This is just absolutely pretty. Oh, it's so pretty. Wait, no, go left. Double doors. Nice. surround sound throughout the house. Oh, you can do a washer and a small washer and dryer in the thing. Look at that. Here's the hot tub and stuff, Tyler. And they have the waterfall too. The waterfall. And then this one is a waterfall as well. Pergola. And guess what else they have, Tyler? Let's look for your fire pit. No, Tyler, this is the built-in. Wouldn't it get super smoky? Oh, that's why you have like the fan.
Okay guys, that's the end of $1 Million Homes Part 3. Hopefully you found something that you liked. Let me know which is your favorite down below in the comments. House number 1, house number 2, or house number 3. Thanks, and stay tuned for the next one.